Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling how to use Easypaisa offline. If you're in Pakistan or familiar with mobile wallets, you know Easypaisa is a game changer for sending money, paying bills, and more. But what if you're in an area with no internet? Don't worry, Easypaisa has offline options that make it super accessible. Let's break it down step by step so you can get started right away. First off, Easypaisa Offline primarily works through USSD codes, which means you can use it directly from your phone's dialer without any data or app. The key code you'll need is *345#. Start by grabbing your phone and dialing *345#. This will bring up a menu on your screen, even if you're offline. Once you're in, you can navigate options like checking your balance, sending money to another Easypaisa user, or even buying load for your phone. For example, to check your balance offline, just select the balance inquiry option from the menu. It's that straightforward. If you're sending money, you'll enter the recipient's mobile number and the amount, then confirm with your PIN. Remember, for larger transactions or if you need cash, you can visit an Easypaisa agent at a nearby shop. These agents are everywhere, from corner stores to markets, and they can help with deposits, withdrawals, or even bill payments without you needing to log into the app. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Always double-check your PIN entries to avoid errors, and make sure your Easypaisa account is already set up online if possible, so you can link your bank or add funds easily. Also, for security, treat your PIN like a password, never share it with anyone. There you have it. Using Easypaisa offline is a breeze and perfect for when you're on the go or in remote areas. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.